Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make chickpeas in chutney, of which I'm using the can of chickpeas, which is called chana dal. You can also use dry chana dal, of which you add to boil it. Today we are going to serve our chickpeas chutney with our naan bread, which of it the dough is resting in a warm place, and later I'm going to show you all how it's done. So the ingredients for my chickpeas, I've got a can of chickpeas which is 400 gram. I rinsed it out thoroughly because it was soaked in bran. Then for the braising I have a medium onions that are grated with a little bit of curry leaf. I grated 6 tomatoes and I'm using half can of the tomatoes from the can. I have 3 cloves garlic peeled and sliced out, and 2 green chillies split in the center. Then I'm using half a cup of oil for braising, 1 tablespoon masala, half a teaspoon of mustard seed, and 1 teaspoon of salt. But we will taste our salt as we cook. And to garnish, I've got lovely fresh spring onions. So now I'm going to braise my chickpeas chutney. I've got my pan on moderate heat. I'm going to add in my oil to it and allow this oil to heat up a little. Okay, now I'm going to put in my onions. I'll allow these onions to fry till it's golden brown. My onions are 3/4 way done. I'm adding in my garlic and my chilies and my curry leaf. And then I'm adding my mustard seed to fry with. And then my tablespoon of mixed masala. And my tomatoes. The canned tomatoes to give it a nice beautiful color. And in go my salt, and I give it a good stir and allow all these ingredients to cook out very well. 15 minutes has passed us, and you can see my tomatoes are 3/4 way done. And we did taste the salt, it was enough. Now I'm going to add in my chana into the tomato. Give it a good stir and allow this to cook for another 15 minutes, and then I'll garnish. Okay, 15 minutes has passed us. You can see how lovely the curry is done up. It's got a beautiful color and it coated well with our chutney. So our chickpeas curry is done. I just garnish with spring onion. And then now I'm going to return to my naan making. Here's my chickpeas chutney, looking very delicious, and it's a nice quick vegetarian meal. It goes very well with my naan that I made, and you must look forward for the naan recipe on Sunday. Thank you all very much and enjoy.